Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic snow using Cinema 4D program without any plugins. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll go to settings, output, and I'll change width and height to Full HD. Then close this window. Go to simulate and I'll choose emitter. Go to rotate and rotate x-axis to minus 90 degrees. Click on emitter, then go to emitter, change x size and also y size to 800. Go to rotate and I'll rotate z-axis to minus 45 degrees. Go to selection tool, Y position, and bring it up like that. Add camera. Okay, I'm going to change the frame from 90F to 1000F. Okay, now I'll go to emitter, particle, and I'll change birthrate editor to 100. Also birthrate renderer to 100. And see. Yeah. Okay, now I'll change stop emission to 1000F. And decrease speed to 30. And see. Yeah, this is our snow. Okay, now I'll go to simulate and I'll add turbulence. Okay. Change strength to 1 centimeter. Increase scale and decrease frequency. Okay, again, I'll go to simulate and I'll add a gravity. Change acceleration to 5 centimeter and see. So right now, if I press render, I won't see any of the falling snow. So let's fix this. I'll go here and I'll add environment. Then I'll go to create, shader, and I'll choose pyrocluster. Again, I'll go to create, shader, and I'll choose pyrocluster volume tracer. Okay. double click on pyrocluster, go to shape and change radius to 5. Now if I go to render, we can see our snow. Okay? Yeah. I need the size of the snow to be smaller than this, so I'll go to the radius and I'll set from 5 to 3. Okay, now I want to render the snow, so I'll go to settings and I'll change frame range to all frames, set format to PNG, check alpha channel, and now choose your file. And now we can easily render the file or render the snow without any trouble. After we finish our render, now we can open After Effects and also import our images with the PNG sequence. Drag and drop your PNG images. Go to File and import your snow image. Then drag and drop, increase it. Go to layer and add a new adjustment layer. Then I'll go to color correction and I'll add curves. Add curves on RGB like that and see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.